Hello and welcome to Samara Resort. Today we're at this beautiful 2-bedroom apartment. Do you want to explore it? Follow me. This is the master bedroom. This room has an ensuite bathroom, and the other room has 2 beds, and the bathroom is located in front. And finally, I'm leaving you with this amazing terrace, where you can enjoy a breakfast with stunning views. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I see you in the next property tour.